I have with me the silver medalist of Women's Singles Open, Rakshika Ravi. How was your experience overall? You have won a lot of trophies, a lot of medals. How has been the journey in past 3 days?
Yeah, it has been good. I think the vibe and the atmosphere of the entire tournament was very, very nice. And obviously, a lot of new players are jumping into the game, and the level of the game and everything is rising. And pickleball is just rising like wonders. So yeah, overall.
Tell me something about your journey, how you picked up the paddle and how you came up till here, coming to nationals, winning a medal. It's not easy, I'm sure. So how was your journey?
So I started off with pickleball 3.5 years ago, and I was also previously a tennis player, and I switched to pickleball. My coach introduced me to this game, Coach Dhiren sir, and I think it's a very fun and an addictive game. And I started off, in a recreational manner, but I took up to it professionally because I just love playing pickleball. And I have played all 4 nationals before this. So it's been a great experience. Yeah.
What's your aim going forward? What would you target? What do you want to win in pickleball or if you are playing any other sports?
So I would love to see pickleball come into the Olympics and me represent India in Olympics and win medal. So yeah.
What she said just now, I have my goosebumps up because I am just hearing those national anthem tunes and the tears in your eyes. I am sure that would be the moment. But what do you think? What should pickleball, as the organizers, different stakeholders, what should they do? I know that pickleball is growing rapidly in US and Middle East and Asian countries, even in India as well. What do you think? What should they do extra bit so that pickleball comes into Olympics a bit earlier? Or what do you think, till what time will pickleball be introduced in Olympics?
I think we have this 2036 Olympics, right? So I think till then Olympics should have pickleball included in it. I think organizers and tournament directors and everyone are doing a great job, and more tournaments will ignite the fire in players and to come up to compete and do a lot of things. So I think pickleball is rapidly picking up in India, and I'm very happy about it.
Thank you for speaking with us and wishing you all the best. Thank you. So she was a silver medalist, but the journey till Olympics has to be started, and I expect that soon pickleball will be introduced in Olympics as well.